Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to Sit on My Bits and another little review on expert option. I'm 2 grand down. If anyone looked at my last video, I was at 24 grand. Now I'm at 22. I'm 2 grand down. Made a couple of mistakes this morning, but it's the name of the game. You're always going to have losing trades. Just looking here at the euro against the US dollar. Basically, where I went wrong, let me show you. Okay, it hit this point here. I could see it was on a downwards direction. I placed a couple of trades here just as it changed direction. So now it's on its way back up. What I'm going to do is take that down to $100, and I'm going to place some call trades. So basically what happened is, like I said, I always look for a direction. I've seen this direction from here to here. It was on its way down. I placed some trades, I think, around here, just at the point when it changed direction, started going back up. So that happens. Like I said in the other video, you have to be careful. You know, even though you're watching a direction, it can suddenly change, which it did, and I lost 2 grand. But what can I say? Anyway, I've now put some put trades. You can see that's now on its way back up. I've put a couple of call trades in, only at low at $100, just because I'm being cautious, because that's exactly what you don't want to happen. Oh dear, it's not my day to day, is it? But luckily, it was only $100. Now I'm confident that's going up, so I'm going to put some more $100 trades on. Bad day at BlackRock. Right. Yeah, so basically, like I always say, look for a direction. That's my strategy. I've done that here, but you have to be careful. Like you say, it's hit that point there. I think it's still going down. And then it suddenly changed direction, started going back up. So I lost some money, but name of the game. Anyway, I've put some more here. You can see it's now on its way up. It's taken this dip here. I've put some $100 trades on. It looks like they're coming in. Should have put $500 trades on. Right, I'm a little bit back in profit. Still not at 24 grand, but even so. Let's up that now to 250. I'm confident that's still going up, so place a couple of 250 trades. Now you don't want to get in a situation where you lose some money and then you're desperately trying to get that back to be where you started, because that's when it can go wrong. So yeah, caught a bit of a cold. It hit its high point. I could see the direction was going down. I placed it right at the wrong time, and then it's changed direction, started to go back up. Hopefully I can claw a bit back now. If these come in, I'm going to pop that up to $500 a trade. Come on, baby. Yes, lovely. So now I'm back where I wanted to be. Well, actually, I think I was at 24.9, so I'm a few hundred quid out still. But let's up this to $400, $450. That'll do. Now I'm confident that's still going up. Not my day today, is it? Right. I'm determined to not let it beat me. Now you mustn't get greedy, but I'm confident they're still going up. So let's play some more. Yeah, I'm confident that's still on its way up, going by that direction. Come on. Bit close for comfort. Come on. Come on. That's it. That's it. Lovely. Lovely jubbly. That's what we want. Right. Back in profit. Back in profit. We'll do a couple more call trades. Once hit that dip. White's flatlining, it's taking a dip, get some more in. Fuck it, fuck it, fuck it, go for it. Leave it at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Nothing better than that sight. Lovely. Look at that. 32 grand now. So basically what I've done there, I've caught a bit of a cold at the start. Let's go back. Let's go back and explain it all. Where were we? Let's go right back. Oh no, it's here, wasn't it? Knob. Yeah, it hit this. Where the fuck's it gone? It hit a high point, and that's it. Here, this point, it hit this high point. It come down to this low point. I thought it was still on its way down. Placed some trades. It started to go back up. Lost 2 grand, but then traded with that. Now seeing that it's going up, that happens. That's the name of the game. You not as much. It doesn't matter what strategy you got. There's always that chance of the markets changing, which happened there. You know, I'm looking at it here, thinking from that high point it's going down. Hit that low point, suddenly I'm thinking, yeah, it's still going down. Took a change, started going up. Luckily, I managed to claw it back. Took a hit of 2 grand. Took a couple more trades here where I thought it was coming back down. Took another hit, but managed to claw it back. So looking at the overall direction, even though it's zigzagging, the overall direction, I could see it was on its way back up. Place the trades and they come in. But a lesson to be learnt there, that it can change in the blink of an eyelid like that. So although you think you've got it and you think I've got this covered like I did there, I mean, I've been trading for years and I thought, yeah, that's on its way down. Suddenly changed direction, I've lost money. So then you have to assess the situation. Is it going up? Is it going down? Yes, it's going up. Place the trades. Luckily, they've come in and now I'm sitting at 32 grand. But it can change. It can change. You know, people say, oh, how come you don't lose? I do lose. Prime thing there. If you look at my last video, I was sitting at 24 grand. This one is 22 grand. I'd lost 2 grand. Bad judgment. Well, not so much my fault, but the market's changed. So, you know, and then it started to go back up. Let's see what it's doing now. So, yeah, it can happen. It can happen. I think that's still on its way up. I'm going to do a couple more. Let's hit that low point. Oh, shit. Now, if this has changed direction again, that's it. Time out. I'm throwing a towel in. Fucking has, isn't it? Look, it's fucking changed direction again. Fuck me. Well, I'm still in profit. I'm still way in profit. Shall I chance a couple of... You know what? I'm going to fuck it. White's at that point. I'm going to take a risk of a couple of put trades. hoping that that has just changed direction again. Now on its way back down. Called it wrong again. Hopefully these can come in and I can get my money back. Yeah, look, it's on its way back down. $33 grand. Now then, do I risk it or should I just call it a day? Now I feel a bit uneasy, to be honest with you, because it's turned on me twice. So I think I'm going to call it a day after this because I'm getting the jitters. You know, it's unlucky for that. I mean, it does happen. It's the name of the game, but for it to do it twice like that in that short space of time. $34 grand. Do you know what? As tempted as I am to carry on, I'm sure that's going down. I think I should call it a day. I've got a good profit there. I started at 22 grand. I've now got 34 grand, so 12 grand profit. Do I risk it or not? I mean, look at that. I could have made a shitload of money there, but I'm being cautious because I've had two changes there in direction. You know what? I'm going to leave it. As much as I'd like to carry on, I've had two changes in direction, which has cost me money. Although I've clawed it back, 12 grand in profit, but you need to know when to stop. I could carry on, get caught up in it, and lose a load of money. So I'm going to knock it on the head now. Even though I can see that that's still going down, I'm not going to risk it. It's changed direction on me twice, which can happen. You have to be very careful for that. It can just change direction. So even though you're looking at it like my strategy, you can see where it's going. Even if there's a pattern, and then suddenly the markets can change. It changes direction. It's bitten me twice in that short space of time. So I'm going to call it a day there. I'm happy with the profit I've got. That's one of the major things to do is maybe set yourself a loss rate and a win rate, and then not get greedy. I've made a good few quid there in a short space of time. As much as I'm tempted to turn it on, I'm not going to. See, he's going down. I called it. It was going down. It's still going down. I could have made more money, but you need to know when to stop. So yeah, I'm gonna walk away from it now. I'm not gonna look. Yeah, just be careful. Like I say, it's my strategy. Might not work for everyone, but I look for a direction. But like you've seen in this video, I've caught a cold. It's suddenly changed direction. It can happen. So a lesson learned. But still in profit. It's still going down. Look, it's still going down. Fucking, how tempted am I to play some? But I'm not going to, because look at that. Look, I told you it's going down. There's a pattern emerging there. You can see flatline drop, flatline drop, flatline drop, flatline drop. Shouldn't do it. Shouldn't do it. I said I'm going to walk away. I'm just looking at that pattern where it's gone flat and then dropping, gone flat and then dropping, gone flat and then dropping. Look, flat drop, flat drop, flat drop, flat drop, flat, and I'm hoping it's going to drop. And it hasn't. It's gone up. Should have stopped. Should have stopped. I'm not doing my own advice. I always tell people to stop. What have I done? I've carried on, and now it's not going to come in. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Lovely. Fuck me. Right. That's it. I'm not going to do any more because I'm risking it. So I've been. The direction's changed twice. I don't want to. It's getting dodgy. So I'm going to turn it away. I've had good money. Almost 13 grand profit. Look, it's still going down. Time to walk away. I'm not looking. Anyway, if you want to check out expert options for yourself, there's a link below the video. I say my strategy is follow a direction, follow a pattern. Like you see, if you look at a high point, you see it's going down like then. There's a flat bit down, flat bit down, flat bit down. You can see a pattern. Or just follow the direction. You can see it's going down. If you put a ruler, so over the last half an hour, you can see that even though it's like that, you can see which way it's going. But like you've seen in this video, it can change. It can change in an instant. Then you have to assess the situation. Is it just a spike or is it going up? Luckily with this, I managed to claw a bit of money back. But look at that. See, this is the problem. This is where it happens. You can get caught into it and you can think, oh, it's going down. Look at that big drop. I can make a load of money. But I've had a good bit of profit. I'm going to walk away. If you want to try it out yourself, there's a link below the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. And give me a thumbs up if you like the videos. But expert option, I love it. It's plain, it's simple, it's exciting. It's very easy to use as well. You can take these people off, but I tend to leave it on the other traders because I think it spurs me along. But yeah, I love it. It's plain and simple, and it's very simple to use, and it's exciting. You're watching it, and you can feel like in this video, you can see I've got a bit of a buzz going. But yeah, check it out for yourself, and I'll be back with you soon with more updates and reviews. Thank you.